Hey guys, it's Rafika and today I'm doing my Sephora Play unboxing, so if you want to see that, keep watching. So this is December's box and it's super late and I already looked inside, so this is going to be a real quick video. But yeah, since I went to Saudi Arabia, it came the day after I left and I didn't get back to the didn't get back to the 30th. It's the 4th today, so Happy New Year. But yeah, I couldn't wait, so I just opened it. But the first thing I got was this triple sec 3-in-1 dry bar little hairspray thing. You know I'm not going to use this because, you know, this is for like waves and stuff. So, like straight hair. So I'm just going to probably give it to my teacher because she loves dry sprays and stuff. So I don't care about that one. The next thing I got was this Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. And it actually seems pretty, like this looks full size to me. I think this is as big as my Kat Von D. Wait, let me see. Yeah, this is my Kat Von D on this one. This is the Clinique. Like these are the same size. So I think this is a full size product. It's a brush tip. Oh, it's a brush tip just like the Kat Von D. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is gonna be good. If this is better than Kat Von D, she's gonna be shook. But I don't know, I think Clinique, do they test on animals? I have to look that up, because if they do, I'm not using that. The next thing I got that I actually have been using for the past few days is the Caudalie Vine Active Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream. This actually works very well. Like, it was moisturizing my under eyes. Nothing special, though. Nothing to call home about. The next thing I got in my box, which I've gotten 600 times in this box, is a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. I've got this in my Ipsy. I got it in my Birchbox. Like, I have like 5 of these, I think. So I'll probably be giving this away to a friend or something. The next thing I got was this Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color... Oh, Artist Rouge Cream C207. It's a very bright pink that I will not be wearing. The last but not least, I got the, you know, the regular perfume, Stella McCartney. Ooh, this is cute. Let's smell this. I didn't even really want to smell it, but after that, that's cute. This is the Stella by Stella McCartney perfume. Yeah, I don't like it. And it's on my hand. Great. The bag everything came in this month is so cute too. Glam Straight. That's so cute. I'll probably give this to my mom because she said she liked it. But I think that's everything. And then on here, and if you guys didn't know, Sephora Plays $10 a month, and it's all stuff at Sephora that's usually sample or deluxe sizes, and every month you get this little card where you can go in store and get 50 extra points, which I already missed because, wait, did I miss it? Oh no, I have until January 31st. Great. And then in the inside of this little pamphlet, you have every product you got, and then on the back, they just talked about everything they've done this year, like 600 extra points you could have earned from your Play Pass, 300K total views on their unboxing videos got on YouTube. California received the most boxes. Hawaii is the box that travels the farthest. #1 winner of Best Beauty Subscription Box for my subscription addiction. Yeah. And in July was the most loved box. I should go look back at my July box. But yeah, that's the whole box. If you guys like this video, don't if you guys want to, okay, so that was the whole box. If you guys want to check this subscription out, I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you guys can click and sign up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.